demonstrate on how to install a Whirlway disposal. It's a little bit different from the Badgers that we're using. Ahora vamos a mostrar cómo instalar un Whirlway, un molino de Whirlway. Es un poco diferente para instalarlo que los Badgers que estamos usando. Very simple to do. The first thing, you're going to have your flange, your rubber seal, your fiber gasket, and your connections to the disposal. Van a tener que el empaque de hule, el empaque de fibra y todo lo demás que viene en el molino. Well, first of all, one important thing that people need to know about the Whirlway: you do not use putty on this. You use the gasket, and the gasket actually does not go on the bottom of the sink. The gasket actually goes on the flange, on top, and then it goes on the sink, and it sits on the sink here. Lo importante de esto, que mucha gente no sabe de los Whirlways, es que el empaque de hule no va abajo del sink, va en la tapadera de arriba del disposal, el que va por arriba del sink. Se pone por abajo de esto y va arriba en el sink. No se usa putty. Now that you have it on there, it's very simple. Now you have the fiber gasket. The fiber gasket goes underneath. Ya tienes puesto el empaque de fibra es el que va abajo y ya nomás se pone la tuerca. So once you put the fiber gasket in here, all the way up, then you can start screwing it in. Ya que lo ponga ahí, ya nomás se pone la tuerca y lo empieza a apretar. And with some channel locks, you give it a really good tight. Make sure it's really tight. That way the rubber seal on top, grabs really good. Nomás asegúrese bien con unas pinzas, apretarlo bien para que agarre bien el sello de hule. Ya que está supuesto, agarra el molino y se pone la tuerca de metal primero. After that's all on there, you take the nut that grabs onto the disposal, put it on top first, and then you grab the rubber, which goes on the bottom of the flange. Ya que le pone el otro empaque abajo, que es el que detiene el molino, ya no se cae la tuerca del que enrosca el molino. So after you got all that set on the disposal, there's some notches on here, which on these, that's where it's gonna lock in. You set it in there, and depending on which way your drain is going, it just sits in there and just twist, and it should lock with just channel locks. Just turn it and it's gonna lock. You'll have a really good secure disposal. It's not gonna leak. You should be good. Then you can connect everything else. The main thing that you should be most focused on here is the rubber seal that goes on top of the sink and not the bottom. Lo más importante de esto es más que se asegure que el empaque de hule esté arriba del sink y no abajo, y el de fibra abajo. And it's very simple to do. Doesn't take a lot of tools, and just make sure you tighten up the nut. That way it's not going to leak on you. Thank you.